This is the first sign that your sink drain is blocked. The sink drain does not clog easily, but when it does, it is quite problematic. This occurs due.
This tip that I am sharing with you today is very easy and fast, and you can do it at home without having to call a plumber or use any chemical products. The first thing we are going to do is take approximately 1 ounce of water in a pot or pan and bring it to a boil. While the water is boiling, let's use a very large spoonful of coarse salt and put it in the drain of your sink. This process can be done in any pipe in the house, including the bathroom or the washing area. Kitchen salt eliminates the bad smell from the pipes, and it is very cheap and easy to obtain, so you don't have to worry anymore. After pouring the salt down the pipe drain, move it around for a few seconds with your fingers. Let it rest for 1 minute so that the salt can settle in the pipe. Now take the boiled water and slowly pour it down the drain until it drains. After a few seconds, you can be sure that the hot water and the cleaning effect of the salt will have completely cleaned our pipes. Finally, check that our pipe is completely